did you adopt your first pet? And also because what I want to lead up to famous hashtag of yours, which is adopt, don't shop.
Right.
So
So I think adopt, don't shop is very subjective. I mean, I feel like the hashtag we've all learned today what it actually means. Like when I was a kid, adoption was okay, you adopt, a friend's dog, or that was all part of the process, right?
Yeah.
We didn't look at it as, it was all adoption, whether you pick up a dog from the street or from someone's house. But obviously today with the knowledge we have with backyard breeding, you understand that adopt, don't shop literally means getting a dog from a shelter or from the street, or not, a dog that's been bred in a house or otherwise.
Basically,
So,
what you say is a dog in need.
a dog in need for sure.
As long as you understand the responsibilities that come
Yeah.
with it, the needs that are there around it. You're not going in there thinking it's a toy,
Yeah.
something for your entertainment. I need some cuddles.
Of course.
They give the cuddles, but there are times when we don't want to be disturbed. Like I
Yeah.
see now, she's like, I'm done with whatever you're doing. I want to sleep. What are the challenges that you faced? Generally, there are two types that I want
Right.
to ask you about. One is challenges when you're raising a fur baby, definitely. And especially, are there any kind of special challenges when you adopt or you get a rescue home?
So I think the challenges are pretty much the same. However you get a pet. I think every pet is different. Just like every human being, they have their own personalities and triggers, and you have to kind of understand them as a pet parent or a family member. You have to understand your pet and see what is kind of, their vibe. What do they like? What do they not like? Some, for example, we've had so many dogs. Some are really clingy and lovey-dovey and love what you're doing. And some are like, please leave me alone. I think it's just each animal is different, and you have to kind of understand them first, respect them first, and then, understand what you can do to help them.
What is it that you do particularly for your dog when nutrition is concerned, the feeding habits are concerned?
Also, I mean, home cooked meals are like a given.
So what do you cook for them?
Like chicken, rice, and veggies is what like most of our dogs have eaten and been very healthy with.
Okay.
Of course, now today there's so many things. Like my parents are always joking, saying, "Oh, like Mars has a better life than we do," where you have all these healthy treats, and so I get a lot of like homemade healthy treats from people that make them for Mars.
Okay, Sherry, what is your beauty secret? What is the secret of the glowing skin?
Less is more is my secret.
Are you using Mars pack too?